station to station. Peter Pop and Lolani Kalu here at Nairobi Railway Museum. And what are we gonna do?
We're gonna do a concert.
A music tour, yay! Between
Nairobi and Mombasa.
When? The 29th of April, and you're welcome. And why are we doing it?
To help people, to help in aid of artists with disabilities and without disabilities.
Yeah.
To forget about the disabilities for some time and enjoy.
We're gonna make a lot of great food. We're gonna barbecue, roast coffee. We're gonna dance all night, and you're all invited.
And we're bringing the whole of Kenya.
We're uniting the country
From all the regions of Kenya.
station to station.
Arts and culture and civilization.
Ooh,
And the history of those people who
station to
built the railway.
station.
The blood of the Indians.
See you there.
Thank you.